camera so you can see it. He's been out like 30 minutes? Not even. Really?
Huh?
He's been out more than that?
What do you mean, like a week?
How long was the surgery?
About 30 minutes. 30 minutes.
Thank you, sweetie. I got the picture. It's really ew.
That was very nice. I thank you for all the help you gave me. I just feel like a wino right now.
He feels like a wino? He feels like he's had too much.
Wine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I feel like a wino.
Like
Stop. Okay, stop.
Okay.
Is this normal?
I just like to thank you
Okay.
for keeping my wife away from me.